What is going on, guys? I am now the owner of a 2019 Subaru WRX. But hey, I just want to talk about where I bought the car from, when I received it, what it looks like, some things I want to do to the car. I bought a bunch of parts. I plan on making a lot of videos of all these installs. I want you guys to learn from my mistakes, the struggles that I go through, so you can avoid those struggles when you install these parts on your car. But I got a bunch of videos coming out. These installs are coming. Subi Nation, baby. The transformation begins, and I want you guys there with me. So, I ended up buying my car off the internet. Yeah, that's right, the internet. Let me show you this site right now. Oh shit, my bad.
Did I do that?
Bam! Carvana.com. Now, I'm not gonna go over this website. There's other videos out there that get into detail about Carvana. Check those out if you're interested. But this is where I bought my car. Now, like I said, I knew a car I wanted. The Subi, baby. Subi Nation. The WRX. So I searched the Prius Prime, baby. The WRX. All these beauties popped up. The ones that have purchase pending means that they're in the process of being purchased by somebody else, so you can't buy them. Yeah, gay. But I ended up finding one that was clean. My 2019 WRX Premium Trim. The fuck is a trim? Premium Trim. It was gorgeous. Blue. Clicked it. It gives you 360 views of the car. It gives you a Carfax. Let's see, once this notification goes away. My slow ass internet. Anyways, you get 360 views of the car. It gives you imperfections. You click them. It tells you there's a chip on the hood. There's this, there's that. You can look at the interior. View of the interior. View of the exterior, etc. But you can cycle through pictures. You can also view the Carfax report. Give you the basic information about the car. VIN number. You can check the warranty if the car still has a warranty. And you can make it yours. You can finance through Carvana. Get pre-qualified. You could pay cash, but I ended up financing through my bank. I had to upload a couple documents: driver's license, dealer request form. Like I said, it took like 15-20 minutes, and I was done. Signed the contract. I literally bought the car Friday in the morning, probably like 2 or 3 in the morning. The car was in my driveway Monday at 4 p.m. It was fast as shit. So it was beautiful, and I needed the damn car. You know what I mean? Anyways, one thing I do want to say before I get out of here is these imperfections that the car shows you, you got to realize that these cars are used. So when you receive the car, there might be more imperfections on the car than you've seen on the pictures. And it's up to you to make the choice if you want to keep the car. The great thing about Carvana is you have 7 days to make that choice. If you want to go rip and tear, drift corners for the first 4 days, and then return the car, by all means, go do it. Just don't fuck it up and don't go over 400 miles and you're gravy. But if you find something else on the car that wasn't in the picture and you're like, you know what, this is still a dope ass car, I still want it, then keep the shit. I mean, that's just how it works. But you had those 7 days, right? Now I'm gonna show you the process of when I got the car and how it all went down. I noticed a scratch right next to the rear view mirror, but I was so in love with the car because it matched my shirt. But I was just so in love with the car that I didn't give a fuck. guys, so that went really well. The car is fucking sick. Test drove it. Oh man, it's quick as fuck. I love this car. It is sexy. But the overall experience was great. Carvana's the shit. The dude was cool as hell. And I know you guys seen when he started to raise the truck up and the car started to slide down. That could have been a disaster. But he saved it. Smooth as fuck. Shouts out to him. Cool dude, man. But we signed some paperwork. He explained the registration process. And now I'm just gonna wait for my plates. So shouts out to Carvana. You're doing your thing. So I have scheduled an appointment to get my windows tinted. I'll have a video of that and what the car looks like before and after. I also have already ordered a few parts, more so accessory wise, and I'll have reviews and installs on those. So the videos are coming. I should have another video in about a day or two. So stay tuned and peace.